Very good morning, dear students. Before the start of the class, let us take a pledge to fight the deadly coronavirus. I, Harpreet Singh, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the COVID-19 appropriate behavior. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water, and together, by taking all these precautions, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Students, in the previous EV, we already started the chapter number 6, that is the simple problems based on quadratic equations. Today we will continue the concept of solving the statement sums. Today we will take the sums from exercise 6b. In exercise 6b, the concept is related with some geometrical figures like triangle and rectangles. Basically the case of right angle triangle, and where the concept of quadratic equation is used to find the various sides or other parameters. So let us take the first question. In exercise 6b, the question number 1 is, so first we will read the statement of this sum. In this, the sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 4x and 2x minus 1 centimeter. If the area of the triangle is 30 centimeters square, then calculate the length of the sides. So what we are given, suppose this is our right triangle and this angle is 90. He said the sides containing right angle, so one is this one and another is this one, 2x minus 1 and 4x, and the unit is centimeter. So therefore we will write here as sides containing right angle are, sides containing right angle are 4x centimeter and 2x minus 1 centimeter, as you can see in this figure. And area of triangle, area of triangle is given to be 30 centimeter square. We know area of triangle is half into base into height. So it means half into base into height will come out to be 30 centimeter square. Now in right angle triangle, out of the sides containing right angle, one is base, another is height. So it means half into 4x into 2x minus 1 is equal to 30. Now cancel this 2 and 4. So it is 2x into 2x minus 1 is equal to 30. Now we can see right hand side is an even number. So we can cancel this 2 with 30. So it comes out to be 15. Now simplify, 2x square minus x equal to 15, shift this to left hand side. So it becomes 2x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0, which is the quadratic equation corresponding to the given condition. Now we will factorize. 2 into minus 15 is minus 30. So now we need to find two numbers whose sum is minus 1 and product is minus 30. So this is a simple case. So we can take minus 6 and 5. Minus 6 into 5 is minus 30. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So it is 2x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. In this way we will split the middle term and now group the terms, first and second, third and fourth. Out of first and second, 2x is common, so it is x minus 3, and out of third and fourth, 5 is common, so it is again x minus 3, and we know that this factor must be equal. Now take x minus 3 common. It is 2x plus 5 equals to 0. And we know out of the 2 factor 1 must be 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x plus 5 equals to 0. From first we will get x equal to 3, and from second we will get first 2x equal to 5, then x is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because we are dealing with the case of a triangle, and the side of triangle cannot be negative. So we will write here because side cannot be negative. So this implies x is equal to 3. Now we have to find the length of the sides. Now therefore sides containing right angle are sides containing right angle 4 into 3 and 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 12 centimeter, and 6 minus 1 equal to 5 centimeter. And he said find the sides. So sides also include hypotenuse. अब hypotenuse के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We use Pythagoras theorem. तो we know hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that in a right triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So hypotenuse square हमारे पास आ जाएगा 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square होता है 144 and 5 square is 25. So it is 169. So it means hypotenuse is square root of 169, and square root of 169 is plus 13 or minus 13. But again side cannot be negative. So hypotenuse 13 centimeter because hypotenuse is positive. So hence आंसर में हम लिख सकते हैं sides of triangle are 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So in this way we can solve the sums based on geometrical shape. Here we deal the case of triangle. Here the area was given. So sometimes we can apply directly Pythagoras theorem. Like we can take another case of this exercise. Now question number 4. If we take question number 4. In question number 4, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceed one side by 1 centimeter and other side by 18 centimeter. Find the length of the triangle. Now again we are having the case of a right angle triangle. Let one side is x. This implies hypotenuse. तो अगर हम इस साइड को x एज्यूम कर लेते हैं, in first condition they said the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceed by 1 centimeter. So it means if this is x, then this is x plus 1 centimeter. Unit is given, so we will mention centimeter also. Let other side. अगर हम other side को y assume कर लें, suppose this is y centimeter, तो अदर साइड y हमारे पास है, उसमें उसने कंडीशन बताई है कि हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑल्सो एक्सीड द अदर साइड बाय 18 सेंटीमीटर. सो इफ वी राइट हाइपोटेन्यूज इन टर्म ऑफ अदर साइड, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज हमारे पास आ जाएगा y प्लस 18 सेंटीमीटर. अब चाहे हाइपोटेन्यूज हम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस साइड इवेल्युएट करें और विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस करें, आइदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ x और इन टर्म्स ऑफ y, तो आंसर तो सेम ही होएगा. तो इट मीन्स x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू y प्लस 18, और वी कैन राइट x इज इक्वल टू y प्लस 18 माइनस 1. तो इट मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू y प्लस 17. So here we can mention x is equal to y plus 17 centimeter. अब यहाँ पे वन साइड इज y, अदर इज y प्लस 17, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज y प्लस 18. तो अब हमने यहाँ पे सब कुछ इन टर्म्स ऑफ y एक्सप्रेस कर लिया. सो नाउ वी कैन अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now here we are having hypotenuse as y plus 18. So it means y plus 18 square, sum of squares of other two sides. One is y and one is y plus 17. Now simplify, use identity a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So y square plus 2 into y into 18 plus 18 square is equal to y square plus 2 into y into 17 plus 17 square. Now we can cancel this y square with this y square. So what is left? 36y. 18 square is 324. Y square plus 34y plus 17 square is 289. Now shift everything to right hand side and right and left hand side. So y square plus 34y minus 36y plus 289 minus 324 is equal to 0. So it is y square minus 2y. 324 में से 289 माइनस करेंगे तो 14 minus 9 is 5 and 11 minus 8 is 3. So it is minus 35 is equal to 0. Again this is a simple concept. If we need to split the middle term, तो अगर हम middle term को split करेंगे y square 7 और 5 minus 7y plus 5y, क्योंकि 7 into 5 35 होते हैं, minus 7 into 5 minus 35 हो जाएंगे और minus 7 plus 5 हमारे पास minus 2 आ जाएगा. Again grouping करी हमने. Now take y common from first and second term and 5 common from third and fourth. So we get y minus 7, y plus 5 as factors. So it means y is equal to 7 or y is equal to minus 5 when we equate the two factors equal to 0 separately. But this is rejected. Same reason as that of previous, because y is positive quantity because being side. तो therefore y7 आ गया. हमें फाइंड आउट करना था फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल. सो therefore जो हमारी ट्राइंगल की साइड्स होंगी, द साइड्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल y plus 17 and y plus 18. तो they are 7 centimeter, 7 plus 17 centimeter and 7 plus 18 centimeter. So they are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So this is the answer. So in this way we will relate the condition of given system in terms of quadratic equation and then we can solve this system. So hope the concept is very much clear to all of you. And in the same way you can try the remaining sums of exercise 6b. There are some sums which involve rectangle. So in rectangle also if the case of diagonal is given, diagonal जो होता है, जैसे अगर हम rectangle का case consider करते हैं, if we consider rectangle, in rectangle all angles are 90 and if we consider one diagonal then again it is the case of right angle triangle. तो यहाँ पे फिर हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम या एरिया कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ भी जो होता है हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट उसको उस सिचुएशन से रिलेट कर देना है और उसके बाद उसको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करके उसको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो इन दिस वे यू कैन सॉल्व द अदर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल्सो. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस AB.